Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, we're exploring dialog boxes and just how easy it is to integrate them into your app with the Ionic Design Kit. Let's dive in. On the left of your screen, we're diving into coding with the help of some neat Ionic documentation snippets. In the center, check out the awesome layout we created using the Ionic Design Kit. And over on the right, there's a phone emulator all set up to showcase our code in action, live. Focusing on the dialog box today, it's that crucial pop-up in your app used for alerts or to prompt user decisions. Thanks to the Ionic Design Kit, creating these has never been simpler. The kit is packed with components straight from the Ionic framework, streamlining both design and development for the team. It's truly a must-have for your app projects. Need to pause for a deeper look or grab some code? No worries, just hit pause and head over to our website for all the details you need. Ready to take your Ionic experience to the next level? Dive into the Ionic Design Kit for intuitive designs and seamless development. Stay tuned for more handy tips, tricks, and guides. Here's to happy coding!